To complete pump preparation, remove the pump from the pitcher and attach the thread protector onto the pump outlet. Open the lure lock cap to allow air to escape. Fill the pump with sterile injectable normal saline through the inflow cannula using a bulb syringe until saline flows out of the cap. Then close the lure lock cap. Gently tap the side of the pump and observe any air bubbles rising to the surface. Add saline until the pump appears full and there are no more air bubbles. To prevent loss of priming fluid, apply a finger cut from a sterile non-powdered glove tip over the textured titanium inflow cannula and place the pump in an upright position. It is recommended that the pump and the velour portion of the drive line should be placed in a sterile basin and covered with antibiotic-soaked laps and a sterile towel to protect them from airborne particles. Be sure to keep the pump cable end dry. This completes the HeartMate 3 device assembly and setup. For more information about these procedures, please refer to the HeartMate 3 LVAS instructions for use or the HeartMate 3 LVAS OR setup guide available from Abbott.